Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. If you guys have a Dodge Journey and your trunk or hatch door does not open, we're going to demonstrate guys how to fix that today. Okay, we're talking about if you unlock the vehicle, okay, and you push on the handle but your trunk doesn't open, we're going to explain what can break, how to fix it, and how to repair the trunk by yourself so you don't have to spend quite a bit of money. Please guys, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more than 200 videos on Dodge Journey, so quite a few videos will be made. And also if you need help with anything, drop a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your problem. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So this is guys, okay, this is the lock latch right here, and we'll explain now how to open your trunk if it's closed, because if it gets stuck, you need to open it so you can remove that thing and we can rebuild it. So stay with us and we'll cover that now. So what you have to do now, okay, you can see that cap right here guys, we'll need to open this cap. So we'll need to get a small screwdriver and we'll need to go from behind, okay, and we can go ahead and open it and we'll show you what you need to turn, okay, now to open your trunk. So let's assume, okay, that it doesn't work now, and we'll show you how to do it. So check it out now. If I pull, it doesn't unlock it, so let us show you how to do it now. So if you go through the rear door, go back there, okay, you can see, okay, where the trunk is located. So let me get the screwdriver now. You can see this cap, okay, just we need to pull that thing open, but that screwdriver is broken, so we need to get a new one. So we need to go ahead and open it now, okay, with the screwdriver. Open that cap, okay, and now right here inside guys, okay, let me show. It's a little bit hard to get to. There is one white thing, okay, let me put that thing up, okay, right here, that we need to turn. Okay, this thing will need to be turned, okay, clockwise now so we can open it. Okay, so with the screwdriver now here, I'll go ahead and turn that thing. Okay, check it out now. Clockwise. Okay, like that. And now if we go on the outside, we should be able to open the trunk. Okay, you can see it just like that manually, and now we can continue with the disassembly. You can see that's where it is. So what we need to do first, okay, we need to go ahead and open the trunk. So we need to go ahead and remove that panel now, okay, the hatch door panel. That will be the first step that we need to do. So we need to use a Torx tool here. Okay, let's see exactly which one it is. Torx 30. Okay, Torx 30. Start looking a bit, okay, like this one here, you can see. So we need to remove this screw there. After that guys, okay, we need to remove one more on this side. All the tools and parts that we use again will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please check it out. Okay, this one is ready now. We need a prank removal tool, okay, and there are a few clips holding. So looks like there is one right here in the middle, right under the trunk lock as well. So from what we can see, there is a cap there. Okay, check it out. This cap will need to be removed now. Okay, perfect. And so actually it's not under the cap, there is two more clips holding. Okay, one is here, one is over there. Okay, if I go in an angle, okay, check this thing out. So we need to remove those now. Okay, you can see two clips that we needed to remove right here. Okay, one over there, one in the corner. So now we're doing some progress. So here on the side you're going to have two more clips. You can see one here, one there. So that's what we'll be doing now. Then we need to go to the other side. Okay, hold the panel really good, and we need to remove it on this side as well. Okay, on top you have three more clips, and we can pull the wire out. Press in and pull out. So check out where all the clips are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. Then we have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we have on top, that's towards the rear window, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you can see just like that. So we need to open now the trunk again. Okay, and you can see this is the lock right here. This is the hatch lock latch. Torque sturdy socket again, and we're going to go ahead and remove. Okay, three bolts that we have here. We have so many videos, guys. Our mission here is to save you as much money as we can. Okay, and what I notice now on the bolts, you'll notice that they have thread lockers. So we need to install some thread locker when we put it together. Okay, that blue thing, that's thread locker. Okay, this is the third one. Now, we'll come from the back side here, pull it out. We'll need to disconnect the wire and the cable now. Okay, now, you can see, you just pull. Okay, you need to, I believe, turn this thing and pull it out. So, if you get the pliers, you can actually help it a little bit. Okay, perfect, because it will be stuck in there. Pull it to the side. Okay, and now you can see right here you need to come more on the side to come out of the clip. Okay, and we disconnected that cable. Now two wires that we need to disconnect. Press in there. Okay, you might need to use the small screwdriver. Okay, and pry it out. Now this one here. And this is your door lock, hatch door lock. You can see latch out of the way now. Okay, so check it out now. This is the lock, guys, right here. And this is where the cable attaches for the handle to open, okay, the trunk, the hatch. And when you pull, nothing happens. So when you remove that cap that we already removed, remember, and we turn, you turn that thing. Okay, you need to go clockwise. Okay, like that. Okay, check it out now. Okay, now it's counterclockwise, unlocked. Okay, check now. We need to go clockwise, like that. You'll be vertical, and when you pull the cable now, it's going to actually activate the lock. Listen now. Okay, you feel some resistance. Okay, and you push it on the lock. Okay, and unlock right here. Now, if I turn it clockwise, counterclockwise to where it was stuck. Okay, now see what's happening. Okay, it doesn't unlock. So what we need to replace now, this is the actuator right here. So all we have, guys, is only two screws that we need to remove with a Phillips screwdriver. So let's go ahead, remove those now. We'll have more than 200 videos. All the parts and tools, guys, that we use will be listed in the description of the video below for your convenience. So one, now another one. Okay, this guy is pretty stuck. Okay, the second screw coming out. They have thread locker, guys, check it out. This is so they don't get loose from vibrations. Okay, right there. So now we need to go ahead and pull it out. Okay, like that. And this is, guys, what breaks. Okay, there is inside there is actually a plastic gear here that cracks or the teeth get damaged, and as a result that thing stops functioning. So we got some thread locker now. Okay, red thread locker like the one that they used. We're going to open this one. We got our new actuator right here. You can find out where we purchased ours from in the description of the video below, guys, so please check it out for your convenience. Okay, so we just apply a little bit. They have different colors, blue, red, depending on how strong you want it to work, but this one is the medium thread locker, blue 242, so that's what we'll be using now. We're going to get our actuator now, and we're just going to place it on top right here. You can see this thing needs to align with that hole over here. So everything just fits one certain way. Okay, perfect. We need to install the two bolts now. Get it tight, guys, and after that, okay, stay with us and we're going to test it and show you how that thing works. So we'll apply a little bit of thread locker. This one, the original factory one, was blue as well, to these bolts, and then we're going to go ahead connect all the wiring harness now. We're going to connect the cable, the lock cable as well. So let's connect the wires now. You cannot confuse those, they just go one certain way. Now that cable, okay, needs to go this way, in, then in the clip, then pull, get in the canal and push in. Okay, perfect, just like that. After that, we have to go ahead, install it. Okay, we need to center it here, get the three bolts, and later we'll need to put our cover on here. You have to make sure that you center it where it used to be, otherwise it might be out of alignment. Okay, just one more on this side and you need to get all three of them tight. Okay, perfect. We'll put the panel together now and we'll test it out. So let me show you now with the car being locked. Okay, now the actuator works great, locks the trunk. Let's unlock the car now. Okay, listen now. See, it opens great. So let's lock it again. Perfect. So that's how you fix it, guys. Check out the description for more details and see you guys next time.